I am glorious. What is your I am? We are going to be saying a lot of I am to empower ourselves. I am magnificent. What is your I am? In today's video, I am going to swatch the Scooby-Doo Crips and Crowds. And let us see, there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 shades, 5 mattes, 5 sparkly, nice, beautiful shimmers. Let us start with, should I start with a matte or should I start with shimmer? Or should I do one matte, one shimmer, one matte, one shimmer? I don't know. Let's just play. Let's just have a little fun. I am glorious. What is your I am? Scooby-Doo by Glamlight, no names. 10 shades, 5 mattes, 5 shimmers. And we're gonna swatch and see what it looks like. Should I swatch on my face? Should I swatch on my neck? Or should I swatch on my arm? We'll see. I don't know. The first shimmer, the colors are beautiful. They are cute. It is a purple and it is adorable. Here we go. First color. I'm starting right here so I don't run out of space. This is the color. It is beautiful. This is my finger. Second shade is another purple. Oh God, this is a nice purple. And we have the purple is one of my favorite colors. It is a beautiful purple. Take a look. This is gorgeous. So we are gonna go right here with this purple. It's gonna run into the other one because the other one is crooked. They're different shades if you look at them. They're not the same at all. Oh my God, my finger. Third one is a teal. Oh, blue. These are like, these are like beautiful. So I'm gonna put it right next to this one. Oh my good Lord. You can't beat this. You cannot beat this. These are gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. I love a good shimmer. I love shimmer. I just find shimmer makes eyeshadow very happy. It's a happy thing. So I love it. The fourth color is a blue. Navy blue. It's dark blue. It looks like this. I'll put it right next to this one. Let's see if I can stay straight. Nope, already going the wrong direction. Wrong direction. Here we are. Oh, this is gorgeous. It looks like it has a shift. That's my finger. Yep, look like it has a shift, right? Yes. Oh, they all look like they have a shift. They all do. No, that's a purple. Purple, violet. It's not violet, it's purple. This is what it looks like. And I will put it right here. How pretty is this? I hope you can see what I'm talking about. This is so pretty. Yes, gorgeous. These are the 5 shimmers right here. Top 5 shimmers. 5 shimmers. They are so pretty. Let's do something. Let's do something. Okay, we are going to do something with the shimmers. I'm just gonna put them on. That wasn't planned, but I'm just gonna put them on. This wasn't planned, but we're gonna do something. Let's see what we can do. We have 5 colors, 5 shades, so let's see. Where am I putting this? I don't even know where I'm going with this. Right? It's not even gonna be anything big or anything. The second color goes right there. Let's see what the different shades of purple look like. Then the next one goes right here. Just so you can see, right? The other color goes right here. I have small eyes, so I have to kind of like, it will be going on the outside today of my eyes. Right here. Can you see it? Yeah. Now the last color in the shimmer, which is this one, I'm going to put it up here so you can see. I am just laying the colors down so you can see. That's that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now we have all the shimmers, 5 shimmers on my right eyes, which will be your left side. My right eye, your left side when you watch the video. These are the colors. And I put them right here. They all have a dark base. That's what's making it so cute. So cute. Now we're going to swatch the mattes. And I am starting with the purple. I'll start up here. Let's start right here. Very pigmented. This is the purple. Next one is a darker purple. This one is a light purple. Light, you can call it violet. This one is more of a, second purple is more of a berry color. And I will put it next to it. I'll get good at swatching one of these days, but this is the second color. The third color is a green. Matte green. This is so cute. Ooh, I haven't swatched that one good. Yeah. I'm getting better. I'm telling you, I'm getting better. Yeah. This is the next swatch. This first color, I'm going to put it on my left eye, and you will see it when you watch the video. It will be your right side. This is the color right here. I am going to start in the outer corner because I start in the inner corner on the other side. So here is the outer corner. And then the second color next to it. I'm just swatching it so you can see. And the third color, which is the green. I love it. This is so pretty. I'm putting it right next to it. I'm just resting them down. You see how pigmented that is? I am just putting it right next to it. Just like that. This is beautiful. 3 mattes. Now we are going into the fourth color, which is a blue, navy blue. If you're looking for this palette, the colors are just gorgeous. So I will swatch the color first, right here. Right? And then I will put it right next to this one. You see how pretty this is? This is so pretty. So pretty. Can you see it? That's this blue right here. This is this blue right here. This is so pretty. Okay. Next color is a dark purple. It looks black, but it's a dark purple. I'll put it on my eyes first. So right here. I want you to be able to see the difference between that blue. I want you to see the difference between the blue and the purple. So I'm adding a little blue next to the purple so you can see. Can you see the difference? And now I'm going to swatch that dark purple right here. That's it right here. Those colors are pigmented. They apply beautiful formats. I mean, it is a gorgeous palette. I know you say, oh, finish the eye look, but no, this is it. This is the swatching. We swatch the Scooby-Doo palette. Top row are the shimmers, and I have it on my right eye, which will be your left. It is the swatches from here to there. Then the bottom row, which is the mattes. I put it on my left eye, which will be your right while watching this video. And the swatches are from here, come down to there, because it's 5 and 5. So that's what it is. So left eye, those swatches, right eye, the bottom swatches. The palette is beautiful, nice, 10 little colors, but boy, you can go to heaven and back and have fun with it. I am victorious. I am beautiful. I am peaceful. What is your I am? Please put that down in the comments. The next time when I do a video, I'll use some of your I ams so we can keep empowering and knowing that I am an individual. I am not everyone. I will see you soon in another video. This is the eye look for today because it went with the swatches, nothing planned, nothing to make perfect. Imperfections is what gives us our next move. I will talk to you in another video and let me know in the comments what your I am is. Bye.